everyone, welcome to my painting tutorial. Today I'll teach you how to paint this beautiful painting. Take some orange color, yellow color, blue color, red color and white color, black color and brown color. With yellow color you draw it in a circular motion. Then after yellow color, take some orange color and put it in a circular motion. Then red color in a circular motion, and lastly blue color, apply it in a circular motion. You mix it properly. If it doesn't mix, then with white color you blend it properly. In this background you can draw different types of flowers, sunflower and other flowers. I have painted poppy flowers. So in these poppy flowers, to make it more realistic, apply some white dots so that it will look more realistic. Then apply brown color. This is a sunrise painting. You can try it in a canvas board also and decorate your room. This is very easy painting. You can draw it very easily. And if you like my video, please share this video and follow me for more painting lessons. And how is it? Please drop your comments. Lastly, you can take a cotton roll and apply some black colors in the bottom so that it will look like grass or some small trees. So this is the final look of my painting.